Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to find customer support center in Bereal. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. Don't waste the time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Chrome browser and search Bereal support and tap on Bereal help center. And you can see Bereal Help Center is here, and you can search your problem and you can write your problem here and select your problem, and Bereal give response very soon. So yeah, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates. Take care. Bye bye.